Children, today I will discuss about the two postural deformity of the chapter Children and Women in Sports. The topic of the day is the round shoulder and lordosis, its causes and corrective measures. So first of all, I am going to start with the round shoulder. Children, what is round shoulder? First, I will discuss about the round shoulder, then I will discuss about the with the two images. Children, round shoulder is a term frequently linked and described with kyphosis. The appropriate terminology of round shoulder is a deformity of forward deviation of shoulder girdle in which the scapula are separated beyond normal position. Round shoulder is a term frequently linked and described with the kyphosis. The appropriate terminology of the round shoulder is a deformity of forward deviation of the shoulder girdle in which The scapula are separated beyond normal position. Children, last video you have seen and I had discussed about the kyphosis. What is kyphosis? Kyphosis is also a spinal cord deformity in which the spine tilted or bended backward side, but in round shoulder. In other words, it is the postural defect in which shoulders becomes round and sometimes they are projected forward or shoulders are bent forward and chin is downward and head is bent forward, so this posture looks in round shape near neck region. Okay, what is round shoulder? Round shoulder is a position or postural deformity. I will just discuss through the help of this image. In round shoulder, the spine, this is the normal position. Our spine should be in this position. but that person is suffering or affected from the round shoulder. The shoulder projected, see here, in the first, second and third. This portion, head region, the neck region projected come forward. And in the third video you can see that person or this structure is completely bended forward. So the neck region bend forward. In the other video, this is the correct posture. And in this posture, when we start to bend from the shoulder region, and this position become rounded, so we tell it this problem is the round shoulder. But one difference in the kyphosis. Kyphosis, this position come forward, backward, and in some people we get the hump. So children, mostly in kyphosis we get the hump and should not be confused with each other as both occur separately. Round shoulder, the neck region tilted forward. Okay, what are the causes? Children, what are the causes of the round? The main causes of the round shoulder are carrying overloaded school bag. So your school bag should be lightweight. The other cause of the round shoulder is wearing tight fitted clothes. Are the another cause of round shoulder. The next cause of the round shoulder is weak muscles of chest shoulders. Wrong posture during reading and writing. Smart phone, driving vehicles of the longer duration of the time. The main causes of the round shoulder are carrying over loaded school bags, wearing tight fitted clothes when you will wear really you will face the difficulty at the time of the bending forward back sideward. So it arises the round shoulder. The weak muscles of the chest and the shoulders are the also the another cause of the round shoulder. Wrong posture during reading and writing. When you read, mostly you try to change your the body posture in the comfortable zone. So at the time of the reading and the writing, your body should be straight. So my dear children, please start to study on the table and the chair. And also the another cause of the round shoulder is smartphone. Smartphone is also the another cause of the round shoulder. Driving vehicles, the longer duration of the time is the also the another cause of round shoulder. Children, how you will correct it or minimize it? There are following remedial or the corrective measure of the round shoulder. The first of all, the backward bending exercises are more useful to correct it. Reverse sit up. Mostly you perform the sit up in the back side. So those children are suffering, or that person is suffering from this postural deformity, start to reverse system. Your belly should be come down at the flat region and balance on the belly. Really you can remove such type of the problem. The some yogic activities like chakrasan, dhanurasan, bhujangasan are also useful to correct it. Chakrasan, dhanurasan and bhujangasan are more useful yogic activity to correct round shoulder. Avoid sitting. Children, avoid sitting in faulty position, especially at the time of reading and writing. Hanging on bar are the more useful exercise to correct it. And my children, due to the modern fashion, you are wearing the tight cloth. So avoid to wear tight fitted clothes. really, that day you will avoid it, you will get the slim body structure, straight body structure. Also, avoid to wear high heel slippers. High heel slippers mostly used by the girls or females. Please avoid it. Okay, these are the corrective measure. Okay, I am going to start the next postural deformity, lordosis. First of all, I will discuss in the written portion, then I will discuss about the lordosis through the help of images. Children, lordosis is the problem of lumbar spine. In this postural deformity, the lumbar spine bends in front. Lumbar spine bends in front beyond the normal level. So it creates problem in standing and walking. The body becomes stiff and painful because of the body weight is shifted backward. Thus, lot of pressure is over hills. This problem is also known by Holloway. Okay, the lordosis is also known by Holloway. Please see these pictures. What you have wrote? Lordosis is the problem of lumbar spine in this postural deformity. Lumbar spine bends in front. Lumbar spine bends in front. This position you can see bend front side. It should be like this. Also you can see in this image first and second. This is the third. This spinal cord tilted forward means this belly region come out and body weight shifted. The buttock come out. This position. So weight shifted backward side in this problem. In standing and walking, we face the stiffness and the pain because the body weight shifted. This position shifted backward sides. Such type of the problem is known by the lordosis. Also, lordosis is known by Holloway. This is the MCQ question. Okay? Any doubts? What are the causes? There are various causes of the lordosis. The main cause of the lordosis is imbalanced diet. So your diet should be good. The poor environment. Is another cause of the lordosis. Weak abdomen muscles. Overweight. So those people are suffering from the overweight or obesity are the another cause. And obesity with big belly. So your belly should not be come out. those people are suffering from the big belly, this postural deformity may be arises. The another cause of the lordosis is sedentary lifestyle. Is also the another cause. Those people are not performing exercises and those people love to eat more. Please control it. Eating excessively. Excessive food. So children, the causes of the lordosis or the hollow back are imbalanced diet, poor environment, weak abdomen muscles, overweight, obesity, and obesity with big belly, sedentary lifestyle, not performing regular physical activities, and those people are eating excessive foods are the causes of the lordosis. How you will correct it? First of all, to correct it, balanced diet. Balanced diet is very important to control it. Avoid to take excessive food. Regular exercise are very important to control it. Also children, those people are suffering from the lordosis, advise them hanging on bar. The some yogic activities like halasan, paschimottanasana, are the more useful to remove it. The other some exercises like alternate toe touch, is more useful to correct it. Raise your hand. Above head. Sit-ups are also useful to correct it. Lay down on your back are more useful to correct it. Avoid carrying heavy weight avoid carrying heavy weight. So these are the more useful to correct lordosis. Balanced diet. Your diet should be good, healthy, nutritious. Avoid to take the excessive food. Your diet should be in the balanced way. My children, those people are suffering from the lordosis, please advise them to perform the regular exercise. Also, those people are suffering from such type of the postural deformities, hanging on the bar. When you will hang on the bar, your body automatically become straight and your height may be also increases. The yogic activities like halasana, paschimottanasana are more useful to correct it. Alternate toe touch are the another exercise to correct lordosis. Raise your hand regularly. Perform the alternate toe touch and raise your hand. Really, that person is suffering from the lordosis may corrected it. Children, you know to perform the sit-ups. Sit-ups are also the more useful to remove it. Lay down on your back. Also, you can correct to lordosis. My children, avoid to carrying heavy weight on the back or the shoulders. Really, you can correct to this postural deformity. In my next video, you will get the other postural deformities. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.